Hello there guys and gals! Good day once again. As you can see, sir, would you like to smile? Smile to our viewers. How are you? As you can see guys and gals, we're on good color combination. Nice color combination. Blue and yellow. And since I don't have candies for him, I allowed him to greet and say something.
Hello, hi.
Louder voice.
Hello mga friends and relatives, how are you? Hello, good lang.
Do you have jokes?
No, I have no joke.
So I have pickup lines.
I have no pick-up line.
I forgot my pickup lines. Oh, sorry guys. I forgot my pickup line. Sorry.